Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an Outlier AI account. First, go to the Outlier AI website in your browser. Then click on the first official link to open it. Outlier AI is a platform where experts from different fields help improve artificial intelligence models. It connects over 700,000 professionals, like students, graduates, and PhDs who work as AI trainers. No AI experience is required, and you can work from anywhere with flexible timing. The main idea is to use your subject knowledge to help train AI systems. On the platform, you may see examples of tasks like writing challenging questions in your field and providing correct answers. These tasks help improve AI accuracy by teaching it to solve complex problems. Now, click on Login from the top right corner to start the registration process. You can sign in using your email or choose Continue with Google. After that, select your Google account and click Continue. Then click on Go to move forward. Next, enter your legal name exactly as shown on your official documents. Then select how you heard about the platform from the available options. Now choose your country and state or territory and enter your phone number for verification. After completing this, you will be asked to import your skills and complete identity verification. You may also need to verify your expertise depending on the type of work you apply for. Once everything is completed, your Outlier AI account will be set up, and you can start applying for tasks and earning as an AI trainer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.